Ready to crank up your Roblox experience with your favorite tunes, but not sure how? Let's dive into how you can listen to Spotify while you dominate in Roblox. First, you'll need both the Spotify application and Roblox installed on your computer. Make sure Spotify is open and you're logged into your account, and select a playlist or song you want to listen to. Next, open Roblox. This can be tricky because the game actively blocks direct background music integration. With both applications open, you may hear the Roblox game music. So find the in-game sound settings and turn the master volume to 0. Locate the Spotify window by clicking on its icon on your taskbar. Simply hit play, then quickly switch back to your Roblox window by selecting its icon. This is the workaround. Spotify is now playing in the background while you are gaming. If you want to control your music, like skipping songs or adjusting the volume, this can usually be done through your keyboard's media control keys or by clicking back onto your Spotify application and adjusting the controls there. Remember to minimize the Spotify window after making any changes to avoid having it take up your screen real estate. That's it. You're all set. Rock on in Roblox.